Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Coleman Hawkins Park may be modest in size, but it carries an outsized legacy that reaches far beyond St. Joseph, Missouri. This small downtown space honors one of the most influential figures in jazz history, a musician whose sound reshaped the role of the tenor saxophone forever. Coleman Hawkins was born here in 1904, and from these Midwestern beginnings he went on to transform American music. Hawkins emerged during the early development of jazz, when the genre was still defining its voice. At a time when the saxophone was often treated as a secondary instrument, he elevated it to lead status with a tone that was rich, confident, and unmistakably bold. His approach was harmonically sophisticated and rhythmically fearless, helping to push jazz from ensemble-based performance towards more expressive solo improvisation. That shift changed the direction of the music permanently. The park that bears his name sits quietly within the city grid, offering a moment of recognition rather than spectacle. A statue of Hawkins stands at the focal point, capturing him mid-performance, saxophone raised with calm authority. The sculpture does not exaggerate or dramatize, yet it conveys presence and purpose. It serves as a reminder that global cultural impact can begin in places that feel surprisingly ordinary. Coleman Hawkins built his career during the height of the swing era, performing with major bands and later leading his own groups. In 1939, recordings of Body and Soul is often cited as one of the most important jazz performances ever captured, not because it was flashy, but because it demonstrated how deeply harmonic improvisation could reshape a familiar melody. That recording helped redefine expectations for jazz musicians and influenced generations that followed. The significance of this park lies in its contrast. It is quiet, contained, and reflective, yet it represents artistic ambition that reached international stages. Hawkins traveled extensively, performed in Europe, collaborated with innovators, and remained relevant through multiple stylistic shifts in jazz. From early swing through bebop's rise, he adapted without losing his identity. Standing in Coleman Hawkins Park connects St. Joseph to a broader cultural narrative. The city is often associated with frontier expansion and river commerce, yet this site reminds visitors that it's also contributed to America's artistic revolution. The park itself does not overwhelm with scale, but it resonates with meaning. It celebrates a musician who proved that mastery, creativity, and discipline could elevate an instrument and influence an entire genre. In a compact urban setting, this park captures something powerful. It honors a local son whose music still echoes through recordings and performances worldwide. Coleman Hawkins Park is a small space with a lasting voice, linking St. Joseph to the enduring rhythm of jazz history.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.